All right, tell me where you're from and who you are.
My name is Andrew Reed. I'm from New York City. I'm excited about this course that I just came to at Dixie. It is awesome. One of the things I liked most about this course is you got to meet real people who started, I don't care how bad you are financially, Dixie started worse than most people have ever started. And you know what? She came, she learned a system, then she implemented it in her own life. And then once she implemented it, today she's now teaching other people how to do what she did. How to go from being financially destitute, how to go from a stressful life where you're raising kids on your own, dealing with a divorce, dealing with all the stress that life has to throw at you, but at the same time she didn't lose hope and she kept looking for a way to get better. So she went and got herself educated, and once she got educated, she did the most important thing. She took action and did something with what she learned. And today she is financially free, and more importantly, she's now teaching other people how they can get access to the same thing. So this is an awesome course. Anyone who gets a chance to learn from Dixie, they are very, very lucky to learn from someone who's been there, who's done it, but more importantly is willing to share what they've learned.
Well, that's beautiful. So what two things are you going to take from this course that you picked up?
One of the most important things I learned from the course is you can do this almost wherever you're at. All of us have college campuses around us. All of us have educational programs around us. Just have to look for opportunities that you might not have seen that is right next to you. I've already looked and I've seen that there's several universities right in my neighborhood that I can start taking some action with this. Another thing I learned about this course is you can automate the whole thing. So if you can get this thing organized and automated, you can actually build it even in a city you don't live in. So it's just something that whether you are in a city with colleges or not, if you can get automated, organized, you can actually systematize this and use this wherever you're at.
Awesome. Well, we greatly appreciate it. Thanks.
Thank you so much.